So people, I'm officially old. Laura's laughing because she knows what's coming. I just sneezed and farted. I sneezed and farted, people. I'm officially old. But you know what? I made them step away from my fart. True. Because I'm a good person. Am I a good person? I'm a good person. I immediately knew that this was not going to be a good look for me. And I pushed them away for about 30 seconds till it dissipated. Because I am a good person.
Definitely.
And I'm old as shit. Oh my God, what next?